Hi guys, and welcome back to the basement. You might think that I haven't moved since the last video, but I did, and now I'm back. First, I need to make sure that I have everything that we need in terms of preparing. So I need to make sure that we have anti-fouling and polish and wax, varnish, whatever. I need to make sure that we have it all, and we have some of it from last year, and I just want to check and see if we have enough and if we have all the other equipment needed in order to make the boat ready. My mom actually took care of prepping these, so now the batteries are all ready for a new season. Hey, I'm back, and today we're actually gonna get some work done. Last time I sorted all the things out, and today we're actually working on the boat. So let's do. I just realized that I never showed the result of the organization, but this is what it looks like now. And then I put some things in the cupboard or closet. So yeah, here are the polishing machine and the batteries, toolbox, mattress, rudder, tiller, and yeah, other things. So it's pretty much under control now. And what a perfect time to get it under control, since it's mostly going back on the boat in, yeah, a few weeks. So, perfect. First up, we need to polish.
Hello.
And I've learned this really nice trick that you can actually use toilet cleaner. It works, so we're gonna start with that. Next up, polish. Then we have the next step, which is polish. Next up is paint, which means security goggles and gloves. International. If you're listening, can you please make these a little easier to take off, please? Thank you. Okay, there's almost no more power on my camera, so this might just cut off, but yeah, we've had a good day today and gotten some work done. So I'm really happy about that, and hopefully she'll soon be ready to come back in the water where she belongs. So done with the polishing and the first layer of paint. Looking pretty good, but of course they're still missing a lot of, yeah, holiday, as we say in Danish. Holy days. Small break. And no, it's empty. I'll take this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. get a couple of paints. VC17. Look beautiful and bronzed. Look at this! Gorgeous. Finally home after 7 hours today working on the boat, and we really got a lot of things done, so I'm super happy about that. We got the paints, anti-fouling done, we got the polishing done, and we even cleaned inside the boat as well. I had both my mom and my sister help today, so that was super great to get some help. Now I think I'm just gonna cut this video off, and it might be a bit short, but a lot of things happened today, so yeah, I'm really happy about that. See you next time!